Hi everyone, in this video we will see a speed car skid on track, and topple before crashing. The motion animation from view 1. Motion from view 2. Let's learn to create this motion using SolidWORKS. Do subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Here I have a car base body, on which 4 wheels are assembled. The entire assembly is placed on a track. The track is built up of 2 bodies. Let's go to Motion Study. Make sure the SolidWORKS Motion add-in is enabled. Select the Motion Analysis option. Open the settings, increasing frames per second, and improving the 3D contact resolution. Now, adding gravity in downward direction. Adding the solid body contact. This is a little tricky part here. We will add different friction values for different wheels and track contact. For the left side wheels, we will keep the friction value on slippery side, lower than the right side wheels, so that the car will turn while skidding. Similarly, adding friction between right side wheels and track body 1. We will keep the value on sticky side. Now, we will add solid body contact between wheels and track body 2. We will keep it as 1, so that the extreme friction force will be generated at wheels, which will make the car topple. Also, adding solid body contact between rest of car and wheels, so that the car body doesn't fall off the track. Lastly, adding initial velocity to the car body. Right-click car component, and add high initial velocity. Click on Calculate. Calculation may take a while. Let's view it at lower playback speed. We see the car skidding, turning, and toppling at last. Let's see them on from side view. We see the car taking multiple turns around itself, due to the initial energy. Let's quickly add a camera view. Selecting the front face of car as target. Adjusting the camera, to make the view interesting. Let's view the motion animation. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for upcoming fun videos.